I'm gonna share my link on YouTube, guys. I mean on Twitter. So if you guys could be good, go ahead and share the link. Copy my link. I'm gonna share my link on YouTube, guys. I mean on Twitter. All right, boys. Good evening. What's up, guys? How's everybody? Everybody good? So we have this is last week's. It's not this week's. You have this week's, Jack? Did you post this week's?
No, I don't have this week. I mean, main thing is FOMC, Tuesday, Wednesday.
Yeah, Tuesday, Wednesday is at home. See you. That's what it is.
Yeah, I don't know how to change it. Yeah, every time I load in, it comes in this week. I don't know how to change it for next week's.
I can watch it in U.S. markets, right? Anyway, so we know Wednesday is Tuesday and Wednesday is FOMC, right? Monday we have NVDA event, guys, and we have some little bit few earnings that we'll be watching. Maybe Lululemon aftermarket. Next day will be a good one to watch. Maybe FedEx. I'm not that much. I'm interested. Micron and PDD. Yes, we'll be watching these kind of stuff this week. But let's dive into what's happening in the markets. Let's see. Haven't posted new chart, guys, because nothing much has changed. Levels have not changed, and I haven't really went and watched the level because we're basically, I know where we're basing at the moment. Maybe I'll just adjust here and there's a couple of things and get a newer chart tomorrow morning. But what I would watch is basically zones are already there, guys. We haven't reached the 21. I'm going to use this chart at the moment with all these stuff so we can see all these squeezes and all that stuff, guys. We had that squeeze, massive move upside. We are just basically basing, right? So this is the 21. We haven't touched the 21. I would think 21 could become and touch tomorrow or whatever. If we stay above the 21, guys, everything is good, right? Nothing is changed. 21 is the EMA. We're just basically trending upside, right? We haven't given up the 21 at all. Came to the 21, got bought up. Came to the 21, got up. So basically, we are trading around the 21 again. If we come to the 21, we're going to see. If the 21 doesn't hold, maybe a little bit of a trend reversal, and then we're going to see our levels below, right? And our levels below for support is going to be this 51.30 that I was mentioning last week that I'll be watching to take long that we never got there. So maybe they dip us below the 21 and get bought up. So I would watch if the 21 this doesn't hold 51.30, that's going to be a next support. This one doesn't hold, then we can get good downside move. Probably momentum and the VIX will probably squeeze up, and the nice downside moves we can get. We cannot predict the downside from up here, guys. We'll just play structure by structure, guys, day by day, level by level, right? We're not going to be judging, okay, this is the top, this is the top. We don't know where the tops are. We don't know where the bottoms are, right? Play level to level, right? So I'm going to remove all these studies so you guys can, I'll show you some levels to watch overnight now. Why? 50.87, 51.87, still a key level, guys. You can see Thursday when we got that downside. This is basically where, so now basically around that level is going to be, you got to clear there to go back into 41, go back into the pockets at 52.05. It's 52.15, but I'm still going to use this. Possible is going to switch back. So tomorrow morning, I'll see where it is and then update that. So I'll be watching this 51.87, 89, and 51.90-ish above. If we can go there, it'll be a nice one. Right now, she is basically a nice downside bear flagging below this zone. This zone should be a red zone at the moment since we're below it. See this? Boom. All right. And the same levels, guys, on the bottom. Now, basically, we can move the 51.75 to this low. If you want, we can just say, hey, let's remove this one, and then we add to, right? 67, 70-ish. Boom. So that's what I'll be watching on ES, guys. Overnight, tomorrow morning, depends where we are. I'll tell you guys, update you guys. But for now, nothing is happening, guys. We're just basically gonna be sideways in this zone. Let me show you guys in the 4 hours. The possible just be inside this zone possible, right? Till FOMC, I would say. Something like that. All right, that's that. I need someone to be the host. Bro, can you be the host?
Unfortunately, I can't. Sorry. I don't have my laptop charger. I'm watching from my phone.
No, we're cool, all good, all good. Anyway, let's continue. So next we go is NASDAQ, boys. Let's do the NASDAQ. All right. So now NASDAQ is in a different situation than the ES, right? Coming to a key support right now, holding this AD71, guys, a very key support, But she is trading below the 21 already. Right? This is the 21 right here. She is basically trading between the 21. NASDAQ is in a bigger squeeze. We come into the bigger squeeze top over here. That's a daily squeeze. We couldn't break out. And now we have a 4-hour squeeze over here. You can see that fired last week, Friday. And momentum is below the 21. NASDAQ is already getting weak, of course. And I don't know if the 71 doesn't hold, guys, and Friday is low. I think possible NASDAQ will come to the 50 EMA over here and to this bottom zone, right? I'm gonna take out all these stuff now. So I would say if NASDAQ candle 1875, 70, this zone, guys, I think she can come to this one over here in the bottom. So I would watch this 1871, 40-ish level, guys. That's can hold, possible go lower than. If this hold can possible get back into this level and this same level, boys, nothing has changed. Just here and there little levels move, but nothing the same levels same. That's the NASDAQ. I don't have much setup, guys, this week because I'm just waiting for FOMC and stuff and trade the market. Let's talk about Apple, what Apple is doing on a daily chart, guys. Apple came to this bottom support over here. Last time we came over here, and got a nice squeeze upside, guys. Nice move up. Is this doing the same? Possible nice move upside. Holds is 171.96, 173.49 has been a very key level, guys, last few days in this week. You can see every time we come over here, we get swiped. Gotta clear this level, right? So this week, if we can stay above 171.96, I would say watch this level and then these zones up here. Let's make this red right away because we are below it. Right, so Apple, this is gonna be a very key level to watch, is 173.79-ish. And we can break that, I would probably go to the 21-ish. 21 is over here. That will be the target over here. That's 176 where the 21 EMA is. All right, that's Apple. Talk about AMD. Beautiful, 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 guys. Last week, if anybody caught this thing, been mentioning, guys, this 183, 184 level. That's basically where we had all-time highs over here. We got a breakout. Where do we come and retest? A lot of people I saw got in here on Thursday, Friday. Beautiful, 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 guys. This is going to be a key support again to watch, to see if we hold. We cannot hold here, guys. This is going to be the next one over here. That's it. I think I do have new chart. This is a new chart of AMD, and I'm not sure if I've posted it. I will post it later tonight in the Discord so you guys can get this chart. Small gap to get filled over here, small gap to get filled over here, a nice support over here. Thanks a couple of you guys are holding shares from here. Beautiful, guys, entry over here. So AMD, guys, I'm gonna pull in the 4-hour chart. You can see that clear, nice support over here. This is gonna be a big resistance. So we're gonna watch 200, 205-ish. If we can stay above there, and then we can probably push into 214 and then stay above 214. That's gonna be a very big level to stay above. Then I know, hey, this was a nice, beautiful retest all the way up here at health. That's AMD. Next one, I'm gonna talk about Amazon. Beautiful trade. Couple of guys you got picked up this trade on Thursday, if I'm not mistaken. This was a nice flag that I was mentioning. Broke upside. Of course, she's a POS. She always gives back. But 175, that's gonna be a very key level to watch, guys. Coming tomorrow. 175, 175. You can see the resistance over here. So basically, this breakout could be a nice retest over here to hold for another leg up. This could be also maybe just coming to this zone over here, guys. Maybe this could be also doing this right now for now, right? This is a breakout zone. Oops. Oops. Right, this is the, where are you? This. Yeah, so basically this is the support, nice support. That was a resistance, right? Now that's holding. So basically fake out everybody and now hold over here, this trend line, and then go upside. So I would watch this 175, 175, very key level to see if we can hold above there. Could be another place that you can load to take our upside. Even the POC is at 174.44. So basically we are at liquidity at the moment. Right, FYI. It's a very good setup over here, guys, on Amazon at 174-ish. Amazon. If you guys have questions about any of the ticker that I'm going through, you can stop me and ask me, guys, please. All right. ARM. I'm going to talk about ARM very quickly, guys. I'm going to show you guys on the daily chart. This is basically just tight after earnings, massive move. She's just basically very tight over here. And also at the POC, also at liquidity, right? I'm going to see what's going to happen over here. This is going to be probably a massive move with a good trend up or down, right? And I don't want to be away from this trend. I want to be in this trend. This is going to be probably going to give us a good trend. Show you guys on this chart. You guys are going to be like, oh my God, what is this? Look at this, boys, right? Very tight squeeze. This is very tight squeeze right now. We're in a 4-hour very tight squeeze. This is like a daily squeeze. This, if this elastic releases somewhere right at the 21, right at the POC also, this could be a nice place. If this holds 126, 127, this could just parachute this thing and break this thing's upside and go, guys. Just be careful. Anything, maybe waiting for NVDA. I'm not sure how this works with NVIDIA AI and all that news this week. But yeah, very beautiful setup, very tight. I want to be in this thing before the breakout. So I'll be looking for some cheap contracts. Next week's expiry, upside, downside. I'll see how she behaves. I like upside more, but we'll see.
How are you finding the POC here? Which is the line?
There's no line here. I have it in my other charts.
Okay.
I have it in my other charts. Block is at 127.22. Right, that's that. I have 3 screens, so I can see other stuff also on other screens. That's why I can show you right. You guys have the study. You guys can always go and see where it is. There you go. There's a pop right there.
Okay, thanks, sir.
So that's ARM, guys. Beautiful setup on the daily. Like I'm showing you guys. Next one. A lot of people are going to be asking me for BA this week to go long or what. Let's talk about this, boys. All right, BA. Talk about this in the daily chart first. BA was holding for its life at its 200, 200, 200. Right now, news came out and not holding anymore, boys. This is basically dropping now at a key levels, right? If we stay below 182, guys, I'm not interested in BA, guys. She's probably gonna go 176, right? 52-week low. And then we see what happens there, because last time she came here and just massively ran up. Sometimes bad news for BA back in the days, anything bad news, BA used to rip. Good news, BA used to go down, right? So now let's see 176.25 holds or not. 182.55 is going to be a pivot point that we can hold above 182, 183. Then maybe if you want, you can start nimbling into BA if you really want to go long into BA and have a very tight stop loss. But for me, let me show you guys now on a different chart. BA, this is squeeze. Momentum is firing downside already for a few days, right? So you guys know weekly now. Momentum also switching downside over here right now. Let's see, she was upside. Momentum is switching for the last 2 weeks downside. If this level doesn't hold, guys, I would see BA coming lower, boys. Hard. But let's see, guys. Let's see with BA. I would watch 182, 183 level as a pivot point. See if we can hold. If we hold, we go upside. If we cannot hold, we come to 176 and then see what happens. That's BA, boys. Coin. Let's talk about coin. Beautiful chart, actually. Beautiful chart that I missed on Friday. This entry, beautiful entry, man. You guys see this entry, boys? Look at this trend. Boom, 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 boom. I missed this entry and with a clean. Let me draw this. Show you guys. Hold on. I know some people got this. Look at this, guys, right? So basically, you can see that was a resistance, broke out, retested again, went up, right? Retested around here. And now when we pull back, came back to that level, right? Came back to that entry level. And I really missed this entry, man. This was a beautiful entry upside. Now I would watch 243, guys, upside, right? Resistance over here, a good support, got bought up, gave back, retested. Remember, guys, coin levels, whatever coin chart, it's one of the most beautiful chart that works. Every level, the level works out so beautifully, guys, from like 114 that we'll be trading on this thing. Beautifully. Watch this 243, guys. If this 240 can hold, get a nice retest, probably you can go into 250. That's going to be pivot and then push upside, guys. Same chart, nothing has changed in coin, guys. All right. So that's going to be the coin. Let's talk about crowd. Good support. I'll see if the support can hold, but I want to get in at over here, 298. See if we can get there. See what happens around there. Right now, she after the earnings, big move. She just basically maybe this could be a nice bottom warrior, guys, at this 315, right? This could be this channel that crowd is maybe trading into that. Right after the earnings came here, bought up, came here, went, right? Again over here, right? This could be a place she can go. Not a bad place if you want to take long with a very tight stop loss upside. With 336, 20 points move upside, right? 1-2 point stop loss over here with a nice 20 points move upside. Not a bad setup at all. Also around POG, guys. That's that. Let's talk about Google. Nice move upside. This could be a good support, guys. If she comes to 138, 139-ish. Maybe over here also, this 140-ish first. You can see boom, boom. But watch this level, guys. This is going to be a resistance right now. This is going to be resistance. I'm going to move this way. Boom, something like that, right? All right, that's Google. Meta gave away very key level, guys. This was a good support, below key support. We did get a big massive with that TikToks or whatever, and then got bought up. So I'll be watching. 473 is going to be a key one to watch. See if we come over there. Show you guys. So this was big support, and this was holding over here, this 479-ish, right? So let's see if Meta is going to hold over here and go back above 488 to make that move. If we can hold over here above 488 and hold, then this Meta can be a nice one again, upside, guys. If cannot, I don't know. Meta is a very tricky one, guys. So I would be very careful with Meta. So if above 488 retest, then it's a good place to go long. Over here, I'll be very careful with her. Meta. Next one I have is Microsoft. Beautiful, beautiful. Let's take this thing out now. Massive break on Microsoft. Back at support, guys, where the breakout happened, right? Boom, boom, right? This holds. Possible can hold, play inside this, and get 1 day move, 2 day move like she always does. Above 415 is good, guys. Same thing what she was doing, right? Basically, base, move up, came in base at a support, right? Slam dunk, downside, but base at a key support. Slam dunk, downside, basing at a key support. And maybe go sideways, build up some momentum, some squeezes, and then upside again. All right, that's that. Microsoft. Next one I'm going to talk about is, sorry, Netflix first. Beautiful setup also, guys. Posted this chart yesterday. Nice support at 596, 597, guys. If this can come back at this 596, 597, could be a nice support, and then massive move upside. Also a nice squeeze, guys, over here on this chart. Tight squeeze, guys. Look at all these squeezes, right? Very tight squeezes, very 4-hour squeeze. Just, and this could be a nice bottom of the 4-hour squeeze. This is the 4-hour squeeze. Comes here nice to the bottom, 4-hour squeeze. Let me draw this thing for you guys. This is the 4-hour squeeze, bottom, 21 EMA, nice support, trend line, and hangs down over here, and then get in long, poof, upside. That's what I would look for into Netflix in the bottom over here, guys. Could be a nice bottom play over here. If we can hold over here, guys. If not gonna work. If it holds over here, could be a nice place upside, boys. If this doesn't hold possible, then the squeeze gonna take out the move and then dump downside. If this doesn't hold, possible move, nice move downside also. So I'm watching Netflix, guys. Either way, hold this where could be a nice upside. Take everybody down, take a move upside. If this doesn't hold, then maybe we get a downside over here. All right. NVIDIA has event tomorrow, boys. So NVIDIA basically is just coiling upside, right? Nicely moved, hasn't even visited 21. But this 834, if we get a nice massive downside, this is basically where I want to take long maybe in NVIDIA, right? 843 is going to be the 21 EMA. We haven't visited over there. Maybe some move comes after market tomorrow. That would be a good entry in the long if we hold over there. Let me remove all this. We can see demand zone, gap fill, boom, good support. That would be a good support, guys, over here to take a long again. That's NVIDIA. Next one, let's talk about SMCI. Basically, she is going to be added tomorrow, if I'm not mistaken, or this week into S&P. So same zone, same stuff, nothing happening. One move she's giving is basically killing premiums. So I'm not that interested in this. I prefer trading AMD or NVIDIA. Next one is Tesla, of course. Now, Tesla, I don't know what the news is out there. What's going to happen with Tesla? I don't know if it's good news, bad news, whatever, boys. This is basically what I will be. Second. Make a level here. Guys have any questions, anything else? Because this is the last chart I have. If you guys have any other charts, you guys can let me know. We can talk about it. Show you guys in the 4-hour chart now. So I don't know if this is gonna hold, guys. This top. If this top doesn't hold, possible we go back, we go into 158 and then lower into 152. Right? There's no buyers every time buyers are coming in, every thing that she's getting bought up, every bought up, getting slammed down. Bought up, moving downside, right? Getting bought up, moving downside. Getting bought up, moving downside. Going to resistance, getting rejected, right? So basically, she's just going lower and lower, guys. Any questions? Anything else? You guys have any charts? Any tickers?
Hi, Manish, can you check Melly real quick if possible?
Meli. Mercado Libre. She is just dropping after that earnings. Not a bad spot. Take long if it comes over here.
Got it. Thanks. Yeah.
Yep. Not a bad spot. Just looking at this chart right now, just nakedly like that. Let me take a look. Yeah, I like it, bro. I like the support here.
Got it. Got it. Yeah, I just want to go long, but yeah, last time it took my stop loss. So yeah,
You can see good support here, right before, and then gave up. Right. Now basically we are coming and retesting that zone again. Not a bad spot at all if we come over there and retest.
got it.
After the earnings that we got, she is coming lower and lower, right? Again, this level got smacked. But this level got
Like
again.
you, Alpha, just for the study, like you have a zone there, but your zone is above the gap. Would you worry about the gap below the zone, or you will start picking up in the zone when it comes to that green zone there?
Well, I'll just pick up over here, bro. This gap will get filled eventually one day.
Got
Yeah.
it. Okay.
Rajiv, peekaboo, bro. No peekaboo in your Rajiv. All right, boys.